Hi my AFOLs! Today I show you a very special set to me. It is from City, the Safari Off-Roader. Some years ago I was on a safari myself and I visited Kenya and Tanzania. And there I was in the Masai Mara, Serengeti, Tarangire, Ngorongoro crater, Aberdare forest, Lake Naivasha, Lake Nakuru, some beautiful places. Here we have a girl with a cappy and a ponytail and she has a spyglass. And we have a man with a very good camera, so he can zoom very close to the animals. And here's a bird in yellow and blue. Here is a hollow trunk with the bird on it. And it is also a hideout for the minifigures, so they can get even closer to the animals. So let's start with the off-roader. I was also in a similar kind of a car, but not with this fancy pattern on the outside. So the car got space for two minifigures, the driver and the one in the back seat. Here's the lion girl, pretty cute. When I was in Africa, I saw only one time a male lion. He wandered around on the street inside a park and went straight to our car, but he didn't care about us. He was very calm and cleaned his face for a short time. And we were able to take wonderful pictures of him. And we were lucky because, as I said before, he was the only male lion we saw. But the girls are also pretty, and we saw also baby lions. They were waiting for the return of the family. They were hunting at the time, and they were hiding in a small bush. And were just very cute. As you can see here, there are a lot of stickers, but they really make the vehicle pop. They bring it to life. On the roof of the car there's space for the luggage maybe, and the minifigures can use it as a higher watch point. The car I was in didn't have the thing on the roof, but there was an opening and we could stand on the seats and we had a great overview through the hole. We are done. What do you think about this set? I love it. It reminds me of this beautiful vacation and I had an awesome time and I love the pictures I've taken. And I think the car is just adorable and I love the very cute lion. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and I'll see you next time guys. Bye!